मैं एक बार वहां गया था। I had been there once. I had been there once. मेरी बुराई करना बंद करो। Stop talking ill about me. Stop talking ill about me. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की। He never cared for me. He never cared for me. क्या हम यहां बैठे? Shall we sit here? Shall we sit here? मैं कुछ देर आराम करना चाहता हूं। I want to relax for a while. I want to relax for a while. मुझे 6 बजे जगा देना। Wake me up at 6 o'clock. Wake me up at 6 o'clock. मैं आज कार चलाऊंगा। I will drive the car today. I will drive the car today. तुम कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? मैं देर से आने के लिए माफी चाहता हूं। I apologize for being late. I apologize for being late. वो एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं। They like each other. They like each other. वो मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है। He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. उसकी चिंता मत करो। Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. तुम मुझे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा। I didn't say that. I did not say that. वो घर पर होगा। He would be at home. He would be at home. मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? Why has it happened to me? Why has it happened to me? आपको खाना बनाना सीखना चाहिए। You should learn how to cook. You should learn how to cook. वो तुमसे लंबा है। He is taller than you. He is taller than you. मुझे बहुत सारे काम करने हैं। I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है। I have not done anything. I have not done anything. तुम्हें मुझसे पूछना चाहिए था। You should have asked me. You should have asked me. तुम कुछ भी करो, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। You do anything, I don't care. You do anything, I don't care. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं हो। You are not a child anymore. You are not a child anymore. क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? ये मेरी गलती नहीं है। This is not my fault. This is not my fault. उसे घर आने के लिए कहो। Tell him to come home. Tell him to come home. इसमें गलत क्या है? What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी आओगे। I didn't expect you would come. I did not expect you would come. क्या आसपास कोई एटीएम है? Is there any ATM nearby? Is there any ATM nearby? मैं उसे पहचान नहीं सका। I could not recognize her. I could not recognize her. टंकी में पानी नहीं है। There is no water in the tank. There is no water in the tank. मुझे खाना बनाने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like cooking. I don't feel like cooking. वो इतने गुस्से में क्यों है? Why is he so angry? Why is he so angry? क्या वो आपका भाई है? Is he your brother? Is he your brother? मुझे ये सब मत बताओ। Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. आपका गुस्सा जायज है। Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ। Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं। Even the walls have ears. Even the walls have ears. आपको दर्द कहाँ है? Where do you have the pain? Where do you have the pain? Where do you have the pain? मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा। I thought once again. I thought once again. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है। I also think so. I also think so. तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? At what time do you go to bed? At what time do you go to bed? मुझे ये करने दो। Let me do this. Let me do this. क्या आप कभी दिल्ली गए हो? Have you ever been to Delhi? Have you ever been to Delhi? आज आप कितने बजे उठे? What time did you get up today? What time did you get up today? क्या आप घर पर हो? Are you at home? Are you at home? क्या आप ऑफिस गए थे? डिड यू गो टू द ऑफिस? डिड यू गो टू द ऑफिस? बात को आगे मत बढ़ाओ। डोंट स्ट्रेच द मैटर फर्दर। डोंट स्ट्रेच द मैटर फर्दर। ये किसके लिए है? फॉर whom is this? For whom is this? मैं यहां रोज जाया करता था। I used to go there daily. I used to go there daily. अब बताने से क्या फायदा? What is the use of telling now? What is the use of telling now? उन्हें पढ़ाई करनी है। They have to study. They have to study. पूछने में कोई बुराई नहीं है। There is no harm in asking. There is no harm in asking. मुझे बार बार परेशान मत करो। Don't bother me again and again. Don't bother me again and again. तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? तुम ये कब तक करोगे? How long will you do it? How long will you do it? मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है। I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं है? Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? मुझसे व्यर्थ बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me unnecessarily. Don't argue with me unnecessarily. किसी से बात मत करो। Don't talk to anyone. Don't talk to anyone. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? खुद पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. गर्मियां शुरू होने वाली है। Summers are about to start. Summers are about to start. आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? तुम यहां क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया। You did very well. You did very well. वापस आने के लिए शुक्रिया। Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. कुछ देर बाहर इंतजार करो। Wait outside for a while. Wait outside for a while. मेरे कमर में दर्द है. I have a backache. I have a backache. मेरे कान में दर्द है. My ear is paining. My ear is paining. आपको डेंटिस्ट को दिखाना चाहिए. You should see a dentist. You should see a dentist. मेरी उंगली जल गई. I burnt my finger. I burnt my finger.